it on over here. Well, now it's on.
Hold on, baby.
Works pretty good.
Hey, good people. Okay, so today what we're working on the pontoon. I'm getting ready to install washdown pump, as well as a couple of small upgrades. I'm changing out the courtesy lights to some blue lights there, adding that up front just to have some extra power for phones and the entire inflator. And I'm gonna plumb in the washdown pump kit. It's got the pump, which is not over here right now, and then I'm gonna tee it off right at the pump, which is gonna be in the rear for this hose set. And then I'm gonna plumb up from there. I'm gonna tee it off with the valve and T fittings. Plumb the hose up to the front of the boat, where I'm gonna put this in the base of the one of the seats, and it's got another 12-15 feet of hose here. It's one of those RV pump system deals. So that's what I'm gonna have for here, for there, so that way I can have them wash down pumps in the rear and the front of the boat. So with that said, let's get into it. Let's figure it out.
All right, so just showing how this is gonna be kind of plumbed. We got the inlet side. I'm just sucking water in from the lake for this. So got a little screen that's gonna go into here. Just drilled a hole in this cap. Got that reduced down to the 1/2-inch hose, which is then gonna go up through the boat, feed onto the inside of the pump. Then on the pump, we'll have a T, one with the valve that's gonna go out, down, and over. It's gonna go under the boat, blah, 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 up to the front seat where I got this one. And then teed out, it's gonna tee right out into this hose. Pretty simple, but it should be pretty handy. Let's figure it out. Alrighty, so I've got everything made up. That's what the pump's gonna look like mounted. It's gonna be mounted in a vertical position, running up to the hose. That's gonna run down there, run through the boat to over there. And this is the suction line that's gonna go into the lake, dip into the little transom area. That's what my little screen is looking like, so it don't pick up too much trash. We still got another 100 mesh screen, or 10, whatever that is. Probably 100 mesh, 50 mesh, something, I don't know. Either way, good enough. And yeah, gotta go get this installed. Yeah, and I also got the grommets that the hose is gonna go through. It's made to go through metal, so I'm gonna have to trim those little ends off and put it flush, but it should work out pretty good. I have the power coming off the battery switch, the fuse going through. Here's the water intake right here. Alright guys, finally finished. Here it is installed. It's taking the input here, and it comes out into the pump. I got a switch here, turns it on and off. Here's the pump here. I can reach pretty much half the boat comfortably. Then up front, got this one. Just connect it up, click it into the quick connect, good to go. Okay guys, on the boat. I'm just gonna exhibit how the new water pump works. So on the boat, I have it back here in the storage compartment. As I shown before on the previous video, got the switch to turn it on over here. Well, now it's on. You get it powering up.
Hold on, baby.
Getting the air out of the line. Works pretty good. Okay. That's piped around the front here.
Yes.
Alrighty. That's connected.